Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get paid Udemy courses with certificate for 100% free of cost. So please guys watch this video till the end. I'm sure that you will thank me later, believe me. I'll save you lots of money. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First course is Python 3 for absolute beginners and academic students. Those who will learn Python 3, this course is perfect for this person, right? 4.8 rating course and 3.5 hours on demand course, and you will get a certificate of completion money. You can get free certificate. Next course is learn PHP. This is an absolutely beginner course for those who learn to PHP, or those are very much interested making website. This course will be perfect for those person, and you will get a certificate of completion, right? And then next is introduction to Adobe Photoshop CC, from beginner to intermediate level. So you will enroll this course, 7.5 hours on demand course, and you will get a certificate. Next course, HTML5, right? Publishing your website. This is a basic HTML5 courses. From those courses you will learn what is HTML, using HTML heading, right now adding a nice emoji, and this is only 1 hour course, right? So next is a QuickBook online courses. Those who are accounting student, this is very important course and high rate, 4.5 rating. And then it's a 14 hours on demand video, right? And you will get certificate of completion after finish this course. Next course is passive income, 70 way to earn passive income online, and rating is pretty low, but you will learn something new, right? Only 1.5 hours on demand course. Next is digital marketing masterclass, and in this era in 2021, digital marketing is very important in every sector. You have to use, for marketing purpose, you have to use a digital marketing process, right? For getting a success, right? So this is a 10.5 hours on demand course, and you will learn many more things, like full understanding of digital advertising and marketing policy, programmatic advertisement and RTB, real-time bidding, how to bid, right? And social media and display advertising, video advertising and search, and many more things you will learn this course. I think it will be very helpful for you if you learn digital marketing, right? Eight lectures, right, in one video. Next is a financial statement analysis and ratio. This is also accounting or finance related students course, and rating is pretty good, 4.3, and then 2 hours on demand course, and you will get a certificate of completion, right? And then next is a Google search masterclass. I think I can say that this is a SEO related course, right? This course only 35 minutes on demand course, and you will get a certificate of completion. And next is front-end web development master course for 2021. You can learn how to make a front-end web development, and then you can learn also HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, Bootstrap, SVG, text editor, and many more. And rating is pretty good, 4.2, and 61.5 hours on demand course, right? You will get a certificate of completion. That means you can learn many more things, right? You'll see this is a content of in this video, right? So you can enroll now. So one day left only, so you should do hurry. And next is a beginning coding project in Python, and this is also web development course. So you can learn Python and JavaScript, and this is a 2 hours, only 2 hours course, and you can get a certificate of completion. Next is accounting, right? Accounting, bookkeeping and financial statement, 0 to pro. You can learn a pro level tips, tricks and strategy. So 4.3, this is also a good rating course. and 7.5 hours uh, course, and you can learn bookkeeping and accounting related subject, right? Account related concept, and you can get a certificate of completion also. And the next is 4.6 rating course, the ultimate Facebook marketing. And this time Facebook marketing is very famous way to make your successful business. So you should learn this, should enroll this course, and then yes, you don't get any kind of certificate, but you can learn many more things, right? So 12 hours left only, you should enroll now. So thank you very much for watching this video.